Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Coinbase app. To do this, first you'll have to go to your Coinbase app. Once you open your app, to log out of your Coinbase app, you will have to go to the 9 dots at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, you may tap on the arrow-like icon right beside your name. Once you tap on that, you may scroll down to the end. Here, you can see the sign out button in red. You may tap on that to log out of your Coinbase app. Once you tap on sign out, the app asks you if you really want to sign out. You may tap on the sign out button in blue to proceed. Once you tap on that, you will be logged out of your Coinbase app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.